My name's Angelo. I am a mortgage loan originator with Movement Mortgage. I have a couple investment properties, and tenants recently left one of my investment properties, and then when I inspected the house, I found that there was some staining under the floor, and it looked like there was water in there, and I wasn't really sure how it got there or how much damage was done. So I got in touch with Peter to come check it out for me. It was great. Obviously, when you're talking about an investment property, time is money, because the longer that place sits vacant, obviously, the longer I'm not collecting rent. So it was really important that I get the claim completed quickly and the repairs done right away. Peter came right out the day after I called him. He took a bunch of pictures. He had a mitigation company come out the day after that. And within, I think it was less than 2 weeks, I had a check in my hand to be able to do the repairs. So it was really, really important that things got done quickly, and Peter came right out. He got everything done right away for me. This is my first time using a public adjuster. I wasn't really even sure that I needed to use one, but I think that Peter made a huge difference for me in this claim, and he more than likely got me more money than the insurance company would have paid out. For me, it's really made a huge difference for what I can go and do in this property and how quickly I can fix it back up and get it rented. So he was a huge asset to me and really helped me out. He's professional, he was on time, and he got me results quickly. And like I said, he really exceeded expectations for me. So he did a wonderful job. I'd absolutely recommend him to anybody in the area.